gonna do to me?
I can make you happy. I can make you laugh.
Fantastic. Oh, wait a minute. Halloween's already over. Checkmate, atheists. Now with Halloween in the rearview mirror, it's time to reduce inventory and satiate my hunger the only way a poor college student knows how. Well, it looks like here I've got pizza and candy corn. What are you doing this? Relax, guys. It's DiGiorno. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. So I was inspired by a post on Tumblr to make this monstrosity. It's funny what you can actually be inspired by. And yeah, this is basically my retribution for not uploading videos. To all those at Tumblr, thank you for ruining me. Well, now that 22 minutes has passed, we can finally see what a creation is looking at. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't know what to say. How am I sit back on me. I was gonna plan to eat this, but I don't think I can anymore. Oh my god. This is gonna be a pain to clean off. Okay. Lordy. Oh my god.
Give it a go.
What have I done? Oh, kind of poke that around there. You seeing this? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Hold on.
Too hot?
It's hot and it's tomato. Okay, so just to get a more up and close look at this, oh Jesus Christ, thing, I had to take it out after 22 minutes just because the thing started overflowing here. It's burnt up candy corn right there, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. This also isn't even my oven, so I'm yeah, a little worried about that. Anyway, so the melted candy corn basically mixed all the way together. That is a combination of tomato, candy corn, dare I say puree. It was somewhat molten. Let me see if I can try that out. Oh my god, what the heck? That's what it is. Oh Jesus, that's nasty. I can't even explain this. Why is this bubble even in there? It doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would, but I don't know, this is still... Oh my god. I'll take that, DiGiorno. Probably gonna use the whole bottle of Dawn. End up doing that. Oh my goodness. So I guess I'll be here for the next 2 hours. Alright, do I dare? Oh, now that I'm cutting it, it actually smells really bad. caramelized pizza or something. Okay. That's about it. Oh my god. That's disgusting. Don't do this. Please don't do this. Oh, Christ. It's all burnt up over here. This is basically like, it's complete caramel. You can't even cut it, it's just hardened. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to scrape that off. Oh my goodness. Maybe one more bite.
You're a crazy person.
What is that? Oh my goodness. Get Gordon Ramsay on here.
Holy crap. Shit. Oh my god.
The worst pizza.
I can't even get like the bottom of the pizza up. That's like how stuck it is. Oh, this one's gonna be really sugary.
Oh, Jesus! Not that far! Come on! Kill the feed!
I'll be right back. So yeah, I was going to plan to eat this, but I'm calling it quits after 2 bites. I just kind of want to dissect this thing right here. It's just an air bubble. It's probably from where I smashed the pizza. Oh my goodness. Look at that charred candy corn piece right there. Just kind of falling off right there. Oh Lord. On the next Filthy Frank.
What are you doing with your life?
Well, at least, I mean, it's cooked, I think. Does that look cooked? Alright. And this monstrosity goes. Oh. There it is. Poor bastard. This has been an absolute disaster. Tune in next time to see how I will lower my dignity even more. If anyone else wants to try my pizza, I'm more than happy to. Catch you next time.